Design is
Designing is not just about innovation, it's about creativity and modification.
It allows you to think out of the box.
It's about emotions, it's about feelings, and it's fun.
School of Design Studies at UPES is one of its kind, where the technological environment is available. Simultaneously, design and creative atmosphere is also prevalent.
At UPES, School of Design Studies is very unique as it adds color to this black and white world.
As a country, we've always had this requirement of designers who come out of our own society, people who understand what we need.
For us, designing is all about users and clients that we think, and we think about the comfort level of the users.
You have a car at your home. It's not just a car for you. You have some emotional connection with that car. It's a style statement. It's emotions for you. So what we do is we just fill that gap with our new designs, with our concepts.
This kind of programs are available in IITs, NID and a few private universities, and UPES being one of them. The kind of training that we are giving to students have made these students from amateur to professionals.
In UPS, we have found a good platform as we have a really good faculty.
With state-of-art facilities, along with intense design research, concept sketches, renders, along with working on various softwares like Alias, Maya, Rhino and Keyshot, we definitely stand out from the crowd.
We don't give them ideas. We help them giving the ideas, we give them a project, we give them what they want to achieve at the end. The idea is to let them decide upon themselves what could be the possible solution of a particular problem.
There is a lot of product development now is taking place in our company as well as in India, and not only the product development but even the software side also, where this SCADA system for the industrial processes, where graphic user interface, the prototyping etc. is very crucial, and we see a lot of demand for this kind of skills.
The scope for industrial design is really huge in the world coming.
So after completing my graduation, I have a dream of starting my own company.
In one big word, design is supergalacticogelistic explodidocious.
After coming here at SODS, it is like a dream come true for me.